Question number 36 is from AAO examinations conducted by New India. The subject is English and the solution is at the end of the video. The question goes as, in the following sentence, replace the words in uppercase with appropriate expressions. Okay, let's understand the options using illustrations. The first illustration is for stands up. You can see how the duck, which is yellow in color, can be easily distinguished among other ducks. So this is what stands out means. In the second illustration, we can see Donald Trump looking out of the window. To look out is also to search. The third illustration is for stands up. It shows how a man who was initially sitting is now standing upright. The fourth illustration is for the option looks up. We can see how this man is looking up with a thoughtful expression. Okay, let's move forward and check out the question. The question was, in the following sentences, replace the words in uppercase with appropriate expression from given alternatives. The proposition is, he is always prominent in a crowd because of his height. We can guess from the proposition that the boy or the man is easily distinguishable in the crowd because of his height. So the illustrations suggest us that like the duck was easily distinguishable among other ducks, so stands out will be the correct answer to the question. The next slide, let's explore some phrasal verbs of hold. The first phrasal verb is held back. Held back is used in the sense of to restrain. Restrain means to control or to check. Let's see the usage of hold back. The usage is, the police held the demonstrators back when the politicians entered the building. It's used in the sense that the police controlled the demonstrators until the politicians entered the building. Moving forward, let's explore some more phrasal verbs of hold. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on is particular to cell phones or telephones. Its usage goes as, they will hold on another minute, then they will have to go. Means they're gonna wait for another minute on call, then they'll have to go. Let's explore the phrasal verb hold up. Hold up is used in the sense to raise or to lift to a higher than a normal positions. For example, the winner of the race held her trophy up for all to see. That's after winning, the winner held a trophy up. She raised the trophy for everyone to see the trophy. The next phrasal verb is hold over. Hold over is used in the meaning or in the sense of to delay or to save. For example, they will have to hold over these books until next week. That is, they will have to keep these books with them until next week. Let's check out hold off. So hold off is used in the sense to delay commencing or to delay any start. For example, he held off on announcing his decisions. That is, the person postponed the announcements. The next phrasal verb is hold with. Hold with is used in the sense to accept. For example, I don't hold with their plans. It means that I don't accept their plans. The second last phrasal verb is hold out. Actually, hold out is used in two different senses. The first sense is it's used in the sense to offer, hopefully. For example, they don't hold out much hope that the price will fall. That is, they don't have or they don't have much hope that the price will fall, or there's less hope that the price will fall. And the last phrasal verb of the topic is the usage of hold out in a second sense, and the sense is not given or resist. For example, they held out against enemy attack, or they They did not surrender against enemy attack. They fought the enemy. So now let's check the question and the answer. The question was, in the following sentences, replace the word in the uppercase with appropriate expressions from the given alternatives. The proposition was, the rebels offered resistance for a month. The proposition is giving us a sense that the rebels did not surrender to the power for almost a month. They fought against the power. So from the previous slide, we can guess that held out should be the correct answer to the question. Thank you.
This video will be always here. Come back to watch.